Call it overconfidence, call it too much HGTV, but we came into this house fired up. Let's talk about what this house looked like before we moved in. The house is big, but it's also tight and compartmentalized. Like most traditional homes, there was a living room and a family room, a dining room, and a breakfast area. As millennials, it was too many tight rooms and not enough big open space. And as wannabe minimalist, a girl can dream. All of the areas just really seemed like a great place to keep junk and not a very good use of space. So the plan in this house is to knock down just about every wall that we have. The washer dryer, which had no business being in the kitchen, is getting moved upstairs with the bedrooms. The powder bathroom, which is currently separating the kitchen and the living room, is being moved to where the laundry used to be. We're then gonna channel every demo sequence in any TV show that we've ever seen, and we're gonna knock down all of the walls between the office, the family room, the living room, the powder bathroom, and the kitchen. The remaining wall off to the office would be aligned with the rest of the family room, which will allow us to have clear sight lines from one side of the house to the other. This is gonna leave us with a huge open floor plan, with the only optional closed off area being our office / a future playroom. This is what the house looked like before we got started. Don't let these pictures deceive you. The rooms were tiny, and we couldn't even hear each other from one side of the house to the other. So then we got demoing. Thanks to some good friends of ours, the majority of our demo work got done in the first day. Then we got to rebuilding so that we can move that washer and dryer upstairs and demo the powder bathroom and the kitchen. This is just the beginning of our journey. We were a whole year younger back then, innocent, living in newlywed bliss, and ready to take on this beast full force. Little did we know what we were getting ourselves into. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to follow our journey and see what happens.